Damn, shut up. It looks like they're actually playing a drum. Wait, Graveyard was here. They're doing motocross? Oh, they'll do it later too. Hey, and I have I remember they always do motocross race. Wow, you just said I put it. Baby. Wow. Here we go.
Oh, look at the bikes, baby.
Hey, woo! Say yeah!
Now we got the microphone working. Extreme Motocross is on the track right now. Freestyle motocross.
Here says dirt bike right there.
Osceola, Pennsylvania. Followed by Jason Rowe. Jason out of Chicago, Illinois.
That's what Landon has.
And finally on a two-cycle Yamaha.
But it's not that big.
Derek Burley.
Sound like that though. That's what you had. He has something else in it. Yeah, but I don't sound like that. I know he has something else in it.
Let's have a big round of applause.
I think it's just a chain one. Yeah. Mine's tightening enough so it doesn't do that.
Wait till you see what these guys have got in store for you. We're going to see them out here 3 times this evening.
Ow. 3 times?
All right, are you ready for the monsters?
It's all a monster truck.
Here we go.
I poked myself in the eye.
Look, Buggy.
Hey, but he needs to get that chain tightened up so it doesn't feel like that.
Expo! Are you ready to
How do you know he's the king of Waynesboro? Cause he's on top right there.
Monster trucks. He's been in the industry for years. His second year driving one of the most